Hello, my little friends. Are you ready to learn something super fun today? Let's learn 3 magic words: on, in, and under. Let's go! First one is on. Can you say on? Look here. The books are on the table. Say with me. The books are on the table. And look here. The baby is on the bed. Say with me. The baby is on the bed. Next is in. Look, the rat is in the box. Say with me. The rat is in the box. The rabbit is in the burrow. Say with me. The rabbit is in the burrow. Last one. Under. Can you say under? Look, the cow is under the shed. Say with me. The cow is under the shed. And look at the boy. The boy is under the umbrella. Say with me. The boy is under the umbrella. Wow! You did it! You learned on, in, and under. Fill in the blanks with on, in, or under. Look, who's this? A girl in a car. Great job! A girl in a car. What's this? A bag on the table. A bag on the table. Who's on the rooftop? Yes, it's the birds. Let's say it. The birds are on the rooftop. The birds are on the rooftop. Where's the ball hiding? It's under the bed. Let's say it loud. The ball is under the bed. The ball is under the bed. Where is the baby? Under the table. Say it with me. The baby is under the table. The baby is under the table. Who's that in the stable? Yes, it's the horse. The horse is in the stable. The horse is in the stable.
Brainmate. Love for learning.